Guys, we are here next to the border. Laundry, washing machines, dryers. We're getting now, it's going to be ready and we're going to iron for the soldiers. This is not a base. This is in the fields and these soldiers are in front line to Gaza. A week and a half, he didn't do laundry and we're doing laundry right now. Wow, what a smell. Guys, we're moving Gaza right now. I'm trying to take my popsicle with our best soldiers here. This is crazy. This is not normal what's going on. But guys, we are going to win. We are